Welcome to the class, students. Today in this class we are continuing the 8th chapter, interpolation and the extrapolation using binomial expansion method. Here in this class let us solve some more problems on interpolation and the extrapolation. Take down the problem. Extrapolate the sales of a business concerned for the year 2015 from the given data. Year 2010, 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, sales 18, 19, 25, 38, 65 and dash. First, we know that we have to denote this year as X and sales as Y, and you have to denote this one Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 and Y5. Till Y5 we have, so Y5 that is n is equal to 5. For n is equal to 5, it is y minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 0. First, let me write the Pascal triangle. Let us recall this for different n values. It is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 6, 15, 20, 20 15, 6, 1 for different n values. This is the Pascal triangle for different n values. Last class we have discussed how to write this Pascal triangle for different n values. Here n is equal to 1, n equals 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6 for different n values. Here we have recalled the Pascal triangle. This we call it as a Pascal triangle. Okay. Next, for n is equal to 5, we have to take the coefficients from this Pascal triangle. For n is equal to 5, the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Let me write that first. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Next, we have to take the y values. Start from the y5. It is y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Next, take the sign. It is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, and last you should equate this to 0. Next, you have to substitute the y values in this equation. These are the y values. For y5 we don't know. Minus 5 into y4 is 65. 10 into y3 is 38. 10 into y2 is 25. Plus 5 into y1 is 19. Minus y0 is equal to 13 is equal to 0. Okay, after substituting the y values, next we should go for the simplification. So y5 will remain same. Minus 5 into 65, it is 325 plus 380 minus 250 plus 95 minus 13 is equal to 0. So y5 is equal to 113 after simplification. So your y5 missing value is 113. Next problem. Following data gives gives profit of a company for different years. Interpolate the profit for 2014. So here I will take year as x and profit as y. So these are y0, y1, y2, y3, y4 and this is y5. Till y5 we are having. So here n is equal to 5. For that y minus 1 to the power 5 equal to 0. For n is equal to 5 in Pascal triangle the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So let me write that first. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Next you take the y values. It is y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Next sign plus minus equated to 0. Now substitute the y values. It is 24 minus 5y4 plus 10 into y3 is 16 minus 10 into 12 plus 5 into 10 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. After substituting the y values, next we have to go for the simplification. So simplification part is, it is 24 minus 5y4 plus 160 minus 120 plus 50 minus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 5y4 plus 308 is equal to 0. 5y4 is equal to 308. y4 is equal to 308 divided by 5. So y4 is equal to 61.6. y4 is equal to 61.6. This is how we have calculated. So the missing value for 2014, the profit is 61.6. Next problem. Interpolate the missing value. Interpolate the missing value for the year 2005 from the following data. So let me denote years as x and value as y, and this is y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Till y4 we have. So here n is equal to 4. So 1 minus 5 power 4 is equal to 0. For n is equal to 4, the constants coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. For n is equal to 4, using Pascal triangle I am writing this 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Next take down the y values, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Next sign plus minus equated to 0. Next, substitute the y values. So y4 is equal to 200, 4y3, 175 plus 6y2 minus 4y1 is 150 plus 100 is equal to 0. Next, we will go for the simplification. For simplification, it is 200 minus 4 into 175, 4 into 175, it is 700 plus 6y2 minus 600 plus 100 is equal to 0. 6y2 minus 1000 is equal to 0. 6y2 is equal to 1000. y2 is equal to 1000 divided by 6. So y2 is equal to 166.66. So 166.66 is the missing value in this given problem. Okay. Next problem. Next one. Extrapolate the value of y when x equals 50 from the below data. So x, y, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 110, 90, 80, 60, we don't know. So let me denote this values first, y values. It is y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. Okay. Till y4 we are having. So y minus 1 to the power 4 equals 0. So next I should write the coefficients for this. For n equals 4 in Pascal triangle, the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. It is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Next take the y values. y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Next write down the sign. It is plus minus plus equated to 0. Next substitute the y values. So y4 I don't know, I will take as it is. Minus 4 y3 is 60 plus 6 into 80 minus 4 into 90 plus 110 is equal to 0. Next we will go for the simplification part. Okay. So y4 will remain same. Minus 4 into 60, it is 240 plus 480 minus 360 plus 110 is equal to 0. So y4 minus 10 is equal to 0 after the simplification. So y4 is equal to 10. So our missing value y4 is equal to 10. Next one. Using binomial expansion method, find the missing value from the following data. So month value, it is Jan, Feb, March, April, May. It is 230, 260, 350, 430. So let me denote these values as y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. So here till y4 we are having, that is n is equal to 4. So y minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. And in the Pascal triangle, for n is equal to 4, it is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 of the coefficients. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and take the y values. It is y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. Next, write down the signs, alternative signs I am taking, and at last I will equate this to 0. Now you have to substitute the y values. It is 430, 4 into y3, 6 into 350, 4 into 260 plus 230 is equal to 0. Okay. Next you will go for the simplification part. So the first value is 430. It is 430 minus 4y3 plus 2100 minus 1040 plus 230 is equal to 0, minus 4y3 plus 1720 is equal to 0. 1720 is equal to 4y3. So y3 is equal to 1720 divided by 4. y3 is equal to 430. So y3 value is 430. So this is how we have found out the missing values using the binomial expansion method and the Pascal triangle coefficients. Thank you.